Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to make couple moon wallpaper animation trend in CapCut. So I have night sky pictures here. I will use it as a background, and then I will add an overlay. Click add overlay and then choose two moon pictures here. I will click on the add. I will resize it and move it to the right like this. And then I will click on the add overlay and then click overlay again, resize and move it. Make sure your moon size have same as the other. And after that I will add an effects. Click on the effects and then click video effects. And after that I will use gold sequence. Click save, match the duration, and then I will add a new video effects again, and I will choose moon off like this. Click save, and after that I will resize the moon pictures again. Then I will add an animation in the first slide up 3 seconds, and the second slide down, make it 3 seconds, then save. Don't forget to set keyframe, and then click splice, and after that click lighten, click save. Do same thing to the other one, and this is the result. If you see the moon isn't straight, you have to move it so the moon will be like this, and this is the result. So this is how to make couple moon wallpaper animation trend in CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.